Welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to update the footer text on your Blogger website. Step 1. Access your Blogger dashboard. Log into your Blogger account. Go to the Blogger dashboard. Navigate to the Layout section and then click on Layout in the left sidebar. Look for the footer section where you want to update the text. Edit the footer text. Write your desired footer text using copyright notice links as an example. Save your changes. And that's it. You have successfully updated the footer text on your Blogger site. Don't forget to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And please don't forget to visit our website www.evergreentechtips.com.